Good morning. Welcome to York Manor. Today we're talking about floor plans. So here's our plan. We're going to rip out the fireplace. We're going to rip out the bathroom. We're going to extend the kitchen all the way over. We're going to put another bathroom back there. Let's go upstairs and take a look. So there's been a lot of talk and a lot of thought and a lot of ideas that have been coming around. We've got a bedroom here and a bedroom here. And a bedroom here, and another bathroom, laundry room back there. There's like a closet over there, and so maybe we're gonna take these two, combine them together, make a giant. You know what? I think I know a better way for us to visualize this. All right, so we got our house. So let's see. Parlor, dining room, kitchen, some stairs. So, okay, let me start off with this is not to scale. This is what we have kind of right now down here. Here's what I wanted. So, chimney, bathroom, bye-bye, bye-bye, hello, kitchen. All right, so again, not to scale because this is like, compared to the parlor, this is actually like this big, so sorry. Anyways, kitchen. Let's bring it through, create a nice big arched opening, so not actually an arch, from the top down. All right, boom. All right, so here's your door that opens up and over, entrance into the dining room, some sort of entrance right there. Let's take these stairs. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Get rid of that wall, right? And put a little bathroom down here. There's your door. That goes that way, right? Then we've got a nice big kitchen, little, I don't know, maybe a breakfast nook, because I've got windows here, here, and here. It'd be really sweet to have some sort of island, counters, right? Question is, right, do we open it all the way over to the dining room? Because we still got a pocket door that we can put in here that can close that way. And then we can do this, right? Because there used to be a pocket door here that also goes that way. And then door here, door that goes that way, door that goes that way, right? So at any given time, you just have all these open. Or if you're going to do some sort of fine dining type of deal, right? Well, we could even do, I don't know. This one would be interesting, right? A door here that slides there. Right, so you could close your fine dining room off for, I don't know, like Thanksgiving, kitchen, or Christmas, whatever, right? You could leave it open. I don't know. The other thought is something like this, right? The thing is, we need an area in this area for electric and water and all that other utility stuff that has to go upstairs, right? Here's an island. So we have to have something stay in here. And also this wall that's right here is load bearing. So we'd have to do some sort of portal opening there. I kind of like this idea. This right here is a big question. The feasibility of fitting an island is kind of a question, and what size we can fit. I want an island. I want a place people can sit and hang out, and we can cook together and snack on the food as we go. So this is kind of a pretty good idea. It gives you a half bathroom over here, because over here, if we follow this way, now this is all for the apartment, servants' quarters, guest suite, whatever you want to call it, right? Over there, right? So we've got a bathroom there. This will have a door that you can either open or close, keep closed, open it, whatever, right? So if you've got family members over, you can close it and lock it. And if you've got people you like over, then you can leave it open. So, but that puts a bathroom over here and a bathroom over here when you've got like a big event or something going on. I love to entertain, so this is kind of like an important thing for me. You can close off the parlor if you're going to have some sort of like formal meeting or something going on, or even not, right? The other option, right, is to check out, we've got load-bearing beams here, right? So this load-bearing beam actually has to be fixed. Some sort of beam would have to be here even if we got rid of those doors. And realistically, if we got rid of these doors, then these doors wouldn't make sense. Like, why would you have them here if this is going to be open and this is going to be open? So if I get rid of these, then in my mind, I need to get rid of these. And I really, really love these. Really, really love them. You saw one of the previous videos where I just opened them both, and I just love that aesthetic, right? Not 100% like I have to have them. But also, one of the weird things too here is when you open right into the kitchen. It's like, and bam, action, right? So some sort of way to close this off, or just or maybe the entry is a smaller, grander thing. Like, I don't know, if you're looking at the kitchen, maybe you have, you know, boom, some sort of archway that comes up, right? Here's your wall, and your wall that comes up, and then, you know, it looks out, and you kind of can maybe see the island, and like a nice comforting place that you want to hang out. I don't know the feasibility of it, but what if there was a way to put in doors, right? Right, so like some sort of large archway doors, maybe a nice pretty windows, and then they could, you know, swing out. Issues with that, right, is that then they swing out into here. How does that affect this flow, and what does that actually look like? I like this idea. I think it looks pretty. It's a neat, interesting concept, and it creates that entry feature there. Right? But as of right now, minus like actually figuring out what the kitchen looks like, this is the general thought process of the downstairs. Let's go upstairs. What's our biggest problem here? There's no bathroom. So we could take this laundry and this closet and make it a bathroom. So then we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms that share that one bathroom. It's 2020. I think we can do better. So we got to make sure we have bathrooms. We got to fit 2 of them. My question is, and this is what I've been pondering, right? Currently, the house is a 4-bedroom on this floor because there's the bedroom and bathroom over here that are like a weird master suite with a silly fireplace. Right. So right now, we have 4 bedrooms up here. If I finish the basement, I can add at least 2 bedrooms down there, and they'll be nice. It's got like 7-foot something ceilings down there, so it's not a weird basement thing. It's not 9-foot and some change ceilings like here, or 10-foot like on the main floor, but they'd be nice, right? So since that is kind of in the books, we also have the apartment, right? What if we omitted one of these bedrooms and we combined them to make some sort of grand thing? So what if we did this? Master bathroom, walk in, closet. You end up with a master bedroom. This entrance goes away. It wasn't there. Boom. You get a master bedroom that walks out onto the patio. You could walk out from your bathroom in theory too, right? Clawfoot tub, and we extend that like that. We've got a window right here. Maybe we can do something with that. It's really low, right? Tub with claws. What if we encased this clawfoot tub inside of a shower? So a large, grand walk-in shower with your clawfoot tub in there. Because then you could kind of keep it warm. You still get to keep your clawfoot tub. It looks cool because it's inside of like an encased glass shower. And what if we made it a steam shower, right? So then you could soak in your clawfoot tub in a room filled with steam, so it's nice and warm. I like this idea. Like, maybe then, I don't know where so then we have to put a toilet and whatnot in there. We could put a nice, grand, so then this becomes a door, right? And then this kind of becomes an entrance into your walk-in closet. Now these doors, since I've got it all torn out, I can have all sorts of options. I could move the doors, I can make them full width, right? So basically what you get is, you end up with this. Her closet and his closet. His and hers closets for your master bedroom. You know, the grand master suite that you can walk out onto an open patio and look at everything on. I like this idea, right? This is not to scale. That is really important to remember. But I like this concept. Gives you the closet storage. It gives him some closet storage. It gives you this grand master bedroom. Lets you keep your clawfoot tub. Gives you a steam shower. You could have this just gorgeous big vanity, right? And then, I don't know, maybe a toilet right here so you could look out onto the patio. I don't know, right? Just an idea right now, right? Just a concept of what we're looking at. And then you end up with like a mini master suite over on the other side, which is just it's a nice suite. So this bedroom needs a closet, and I guess they could use that bathroom. But again, in my fantasy world, I want every bedroom to have its own bathroom. So I say that we pull this forward just a little bit, right? Because so that it goes all the way up. We push it back just a little bit into that space, and this becomes a closet, and this becomes a small bathroom, right? So we put like a shower, toilet, a sink, no more entrance there, some sort of entrance there, some sort of entrance there. We end up with this big space, right? And I said one of the things that's important to me is to have a laundry on the main floor. So we could have a real, legitimate laundry room / bathroom. Nothing crazy, just like a small walk-in shower. Maybe not even that. Maybe just a toilet and a sink, right? For when you're having larger parties, or if this is a guest bedroom that fits 2 or 3 people, they can use that bathroom and that bathroom at the same time. If you've got multiple people and they want to use the bathroom downstairs and then that bathroom, you've got that. I like this idea. I really like it. I'm still got to look at it in CAD and get the feasibility of it, but this is pretty sweet. Bathroom. I get my bathrooms. I get a sweet master suite. You get to walk out onto the patio if you're the special owners of that bedroom. This is a 2020 floor plan. This is expectations for modern houses, especially homes of this size. I think this brings this house into 2020. Downsides, only one set of people get the patio access. That doesn't mean that you can't bring your guests up to your master bedroom and go hang out on the patio, right? But only they get it. So that's kind of a downside. So in theory, right, I could take this and go and put that kind of thing up there, maybe, and then put a guest room here, and then 2 people would have access to this, and you would take this bathroom, put it here, add a closet somewhere. That's kind of like the other issue is the closet, is where do you put a closet in here? Because there was currently a closet here, so you would need a bathroom, right? So, I don't know, right? But current floor plan ideas. Oh, one other thing. What if, boom, because this is wasted space. Yes, it's space, it's wasted. Hallways are wasted space. All right, so yeah, that's kind of the idea. Let's walk upstairs. That's the part we hadn't talked about the most, was here. So, if we wander in there, and you would imagine that there would be this lovely angled entrance, and you'd be able to walk in here, and this would be your grand master suite, and then over in here, right, like I said, that wasn't to scale, so I don't know if it'll work. We have maybe a vanity, and look at that, there's so much space in there. You could definitely fit your clawfoot tub, I think, right here. Bring it out. And then your nice big steam shower, vanity of some sort. And then figuring out the walk-in closet might be a little bit of a complication, but I got faith that we got this. Maybe push a wall out or something. I don't know. But anyways, right? And then there's that wasted hallway space that goes all the way to the back. And you walk into a nice laundry room, maybe some sort of fancy shower. area. But those are the current floor plan ideas. I'm going to cover this stuff in plastic today. I'm going to go get a staple gun, cover the stuff in plastic. And because we're going to drop the lat and make a mess. Dexter, eat your heart out. Boom! This room is entirely covered in plastic, except for there. That means we can drop this and not make a massive mess over the entire house with all of that disgusting and gross blown-in insulation. Got a couple of fun ideas for actually sucking it up. So one of the reasons I found out that it did not pull out well from up there, as well as I wanted it, it worked, but not as well as I wanted, was that when it sits for a long time, it kind of gets compacted down. So, in theory, when we drop all of this and it ends up down there, it should be easier to suck up with this vacuum. So my thought is, what if, since this is where I come in, I run a hose right to here, maybe put it in about 2 feet, and just shovel it towards the hose. Use the big 4-inch one. I don't know. Might work. I'm willing to try it. All right, so I'm calling it a night. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You know, if you're digging this, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Tomorrow, and that's going to be a fun one, because we got that room, like I showed you earlier, all dextered out. We're going to see if we can do both of these rooms also, and we are going to be dropping lat, and picking up insulation. Yeah, that's going to be lots of fun. I'm actually very, very excited because once we get into these ceilings, we get to see things like whether or not these gas lines, whether or not those are live, because I'm really, really hoping they're not, because otherwise I mean, it's going to be kind of a pain in the butt. It's not a pain in the butt, but it's just another thing I got to do. And then the other thing we're going to do is friends coming over going to help us yank out the ducting in this place, because I'm going ductless. Big things to come. So, super, super excited. Just because once we get this ceilings out, we are really going to be on the build path then. And that's the fun part, right? That's what we watch all those shows for. Nobody watches the how to demolish or take apart your house videos, right? Nobody watches the demolition next on HGTV and the DIY network. How to demolish the interior of your home. We all want to see the rebuild. We want to see the final product, and I'm excited to get there. And I'm excited to bring you all along because, I mean, when I say I'm out of my comfort zone and I'm out of what I know, I am way out of what I know. Luckily, I know how to use some tools, but that's it. Anyways, I appreciate every one of you. Stay tuned because lat's coming down, insulation's coming out, and this chimney is going to go away. I'll see you all tomorrow. This isn't a shower.